So I have big pack of bacon and I sliced it in two. I prefer half-inch sizes. I'm going to cook it in Nuwave oven. This oven has extra racks that could put layers, but bacon will not cook through on the bottom layer, so it's counterproductive. I don't know how they advertise it as advantage. Need to gain skills of space management. Alright, I think it's pretty good. Let's cook it. I'm gonna cook 7 minutes and flip it. Here is the container. Let's see. Perfect. Going to refrigerator. Meanwhile, I'll brown my sous vide chicken on this frying pan. 9 out of 12 temperature. Butter gives a lot of flavor to sous vide chicken. It absorbs it. Interesting. Usually it just doesn't stick, but sous vide chicken absorbs it. Here is the chicken. It was done yesterday in sous vide, 141 degrees for 3 hours for chicken thighs. It's already doesn't have any moisture. Looks dry. I'll put it skin down and keep it skin down as long as they feel comfortable, which is pretty long. Alright, let's check on it in 5 minutes. Let's flip it. Extremely good. I think I will blast the skin part again. It intrigues me how crispy it will be. I think it's crispiness that I prefer. I think I'll get some butter and bacon. Just as an experiment. Rest of the bacon going for the plate. Chicken. I have two questions now. Did this chicken warm through from the fridge? And which pieces of bacon did I dip into the butter? That's two questions that I need to learn, get answered to. Pretty good. I like the sound. Steam coming, probably warm through. Chicken's very juicy, but skin it's little bit more caveman crust than I prefer. Maybe I prefer this use. Regular bacon. Pretty good. Happy cooking.